Hello guys, today we are going to be going fishing, me and my dad, at Cardiff Trout Pond.
Hi.
We are almost there. Now arrived at the trout pond. See you when we're fishing. Okay, we are casting out for the first time. You can't really see it, but it is out there. This is the setup. We have a bell in case it rings, and then the line is going up super far into the water. So we'll know if a fish is on the hook. By the way, we have a stick to hold it up. Okay, now my dad's casting his rod. There she goes. Right off. If you guys like this type of content, remember to comment that you want to see more of it, and like and subscribe. Look guys, back with day 2 of fishing. Sadly, we didn't catch anything yesterday, but let's hope we catch something today. So, we're about to start driving, and my dad's not in the car yet, but this is what we have here. So we have the cooler with all our fishing gear. So we have a pop, some water, and then underneath here is our bait. This is our bait right here. It's no copyright, but this is our bait. It's called Power Bait. It's garlic flavored, and then we also have worms, like the traditional worms, and that's basically our setup for today. Day 2 of arriving at Cardiff Park. Again, we will see you when we are fishing. Look at this view. Look at this. We're on the dock. Sweet view. Gonna start fishing real soon. Casted about 15 times. We saw one fish follow us up. No bites yet, so not going very successful. Let's hope we catch one. I don't know if you guys can see these at home, but there is thousands of minnows in there. You guys might be able to see some. There's so many minnows. They're so tiny. Keep your eyes on the most terrifying and fierce animal in nature. The gopher. It's in its natural habitat. Plain. Fortunately, guys, we did not catch anything, but we still had fun, right?
Absolutely.
So tune in next week, to see us go on another adventure to a different lake this time. Bye.